The fuck was that? Oh, what's up, buddy?
Caden loves being my cameraman. Yay!
I'm nothing to do with it.
You made up your mind. You just wasted my time. You're on hell. I find you on time.
Yeah, but that nigga said, hey, bro, damn, stop playing, man. Hey.
Like a box of chocolate, so a Glock holding 30, your high loops. Better watch who you hang around, my nigga, cause I think that everyone in your squad can switch. DB, SB, 3272, nigga, that's my pod, nigga.